guys, welcome back to Naturally Xandra. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Shea Moisture Sheabassador box that I just got in the mail. The Sheabassador class of 2019, and I got a lot of goodies. Most of these I've already tried, but there's a couple that I haven't. So without further ado, if you came here for that video, just make sure you subscribe before you join the Naturally Xandra family. We lit over here. We all family and friends over here. We encourage each other. We have positive intentions, positive vibes. In the comment section, there will be plenty of women vouching for the fact that my videos are A1. My videos are steadily improving. And if you're here to grow with me, then yeah, just hit that red box. Let's get into the unboxing. This is the box. And we're going to open it up. So let's start off here at the packaging. Ooh, car's coming out. The packaging is amazing. Look at all the ingredients on here. I don't know if you guys can see all that, but it's like super, super big. It's like all here. And it has them on the flaps too. But this is what I got. The first product is the Jamaican, let me make sure I put it. Can you guys see that? The Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. The Gentle Sulfate-Free Clarifying Shampoo removes buildup while infusing hair with moisture, ideal for all hair types, including natural, chemically treated, and heat style. And it actually has a tip at the bottom here. It says apple cider vinegar is your go-to for removing buildup from hard water residue and chlorine, as it helps to deeply cleanse and soothe the cuticle without stripping strands of precious natural oils. I've actually tried this line before. I've tried the shampoo and conditioner. It didn't work well for my hair, but that was a long time ago, so I'm gonna give it another try with this. The next one is the Shea Moisture. Gotta make sure it's in the light. The Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. This creamy, sulfate-free shampoo is blended with Manuka honey and yogurt to gently cleanse and replenish moisture while helping to strengthen strands. A tip is it's perfect for use when heat styling, as it reduces breakage up to 75% when used with our Manuka honey and yogurt Hydrate and Repair conditioner. So they sent me the shampoo. I guess I'll have to go buy the conditioner. I kind of wish they had the matching sets of things, because I definitely was going to pick this up in Walgreens, but I decided to pass on it because I knew this box was coming. I didn't know what it was going to entail. The next one is going to be, boom, the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. This creamy conditioner glides through hair to detangle and restore moisture and shine. Rich coconut oil and certified organic shea butter condition tresses, while silk protein and neem oil reduces frizz and creates brilliant shine. A tip is to apply to towel dried hair. For deeper conditioning, place a plastic cap over hair and leave on for 15 minutes. I've actually tried this one as well. Not a big fan of this line. I tried to do, a quick story, when I applied the shampoo, my hair turned dry for some reason, and then when I applied the conditioner, it wasn't moisturizing enough to rebalance my pH balance from that conditioner, that shampoo. It's also been a little while since I've used this. I have actually this one without this label. I have it in my shower, but every time I pull it out and I try to use it, it turns my hair dry. So this is not one that's good for my hair, but I'm gonna kind of mix and match it with other ones and hope for the best. I'm still gonna try it out. If you want a giveaway, put it in the comment section down below. So I'll tell you guys which one would be included in the giveaway if I was to do one, hypothetically. This product I have not tried is the Shea Moisture. Let me make sure I got it in the frame. Boom, there we go. The Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Conditioner, formulated with an ultra nourishing blend of 100% virgin coconut and shea oils, coconut milk, and ICI Senegal. This daily conditioner revitalizes lackluster hair, leaving it soft and silky. A tip is, as an alternative to shampoo, apply and use as a conditioning co-wash. I may just try that out because I heard coconut oil is good for co-washing, but I have coconut oil. I have their literal coconut oil, Shea Moisture, the same line, but it doesn't work well for my hair in terms of like oil sealant, but it may work well for a co-wash. I'm really curious to see if this works for my hair. Our last and final product in this box is gonna be the Sugarcane Shea Moisture Sugarcane Extract and Metal Foam Seed Silicone-Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. This leave-in styler truly does it all. Detangles, nourishes, softens, helps with brush glide, adds shine, soothes to reduce frizz and enhance silkiness. A tip is that it's formulated to naturally glide through hair, can be used as a detangling pre-shampoo. So that's the last and final one. This little card they have, this is what it came in to show all of the different products. Boom. So every time you get a box, if you're a Sheabassador, if you apply in the upcoming years, this is what you would get. And you would get different products, of course, because they're always trying out new things. First off, let me vouch for the fact that Shea Moisture is doing this thing by having all these different lines to cater to different types of hair. For the giveaway, I would give out, let's look at the thing. I would give out the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Sharpen and Restore Shampoo and the Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. That's if I was to do this giveaway, because I have to have enough likes on this video. So let's get this video to 20 likes. If we get this video to 20 likes, I'll do a giveaway. Watch the whole video, comment down below once you completed that, and I'll be posting the giveaway rules in the next video. So make sure you stay tuned. I'm not gonna tell you which one is gonna be in, but the rules are gonna be simple. I'm super excited about this. One last thing that they gave me, which this is hilarious because I definitely will not be using this. I don't think so, unless I was to brush my hair back in a ponytail. That's probably the only way I would use this, but it's very hard. And it's, I don't know if it's meant for curly hair. Yeah, I don't know about that, but it's a different type of brush. Let me take it out the package. I didn't want to take it out the package because I didn't want to open it before I made this video. So it's a different type of brush. I've never seen this brush before, but this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has like little pricks, and it also has the brush underneath. I'm not sure what that'll be good for, but let me just pull out one section and we're gonna see. Whoa, is this a detangler? Guys, I think this is the detangler. I'm shocked right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video of the Sheabassador box, class of 2019. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video.